Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply the Angelus High Gloss to your products to just give it the nice, clean and shiny look. As you can see, this is the passport holder which I recently made, and this is a vegetable tan leather, and you can see the color. It's a kind of matte color, but I want it to be a little bit shiny as the customer demands. So the product which we're gonna use is this one, the acrylic finisher from Angelus. It's also called the High Gloss 610. All right, and for the application we're gonna use this cellulose sponge. All right, so first of all we just gonna buff this a little bit to just remove some dust and all, so that as this Angelus High Gloss is actually used as a final sealant, so if there is any residue or dirt or something, so it's gonna stick into it permanently. So first of all we're gonna buff it a little bit. So for that purpose you can either use jeans cloth, as this works so much better. Also you can use the kind of canvas cloth or something like this, but this rather scratches the leather, and like from the experience I don't like this one. The jeans cloth, it really works like amazingly. So using this you can just buff it a little bit, so a little bit shine will automatically come. But if your customer demands more shine and gloss, then you can apply the high gloss. Usually if you give it one coat, it really gives a beautiful look to the article. So mostly I just do it with all of my articles. So it's really a nice thing. This Angelus High Gloss, it's a really nice thing. You can also apply it to your edges to just give it the beautiful shiny look. As you can see, it's now clean, and little bit shine is also coming because this is vegetable tan leather, and the more we buff it, the more it gets beautiful. So we'll just it's better to do it in a circular motion, because this just kind of like gives it a nice appearance. So okay, that's it, it's done now. It's super clean, as you can see, and it's already ready for the sale. But I need a little bit more shine with this product, so I will just apply this and also show you how to do it. So this is the best to for the application, the cellulose sponge. Okay, now this is a small piece, so I'm just gonna take this iron and I'm gonna fix it into it, so it's better, it won't disturb me. Now first of all you're gonna shake the high gloss. You're gonna shake it well, because sometimes it like sits down, and so it's better to shake it. Okay, that's enough. We're gonna just dip it into it a little bit, not much, like a little bit. Okay, because if you apply more, there's gonna be so much shine into the product and the customer won't like it. So it's better to just apply it a little bit, and if you need more, then you can apply second coat into it. Okay, so now when you're applying it, you just do it in a circular motions. Yeah, this works fine, the circular motion. Yeah, so apply one coat and leave that place to dry, and then we're gonna come again and we're gonna again repeat the circular motion, so it won't leave any impressions of the circular motion and all. Okay, this is done. We're gonna leave it to dry, and we're gonna do this one. Now I like to go a little bit inside the pockets as well, so to give it same look. Okay, that's enough. Now see, it got dry, so we're gonna again repeat the same process. That's enough, and repeat it on this pocket as well. Alright, now to give it a nice and beautiful texture, you can just simply do this kind of motion with it. This will also help remove any dirt particles and won't make the dirt particles permanently stick into the body. Because the Angelus High Gloss, this actually sticks to the body of the leather. So if you do this motion, it will remove any residue. See, this is final now. You can already feel the difference between this part and this part. It's already shine is there. But to fully cure, like this will get dry within 1 hour. It's usually it will take 10 minutes, but within 1 hour it will completely get dry. But for completely curing and getting a beautiful look, you need to give it 24 hours. So after 24 hours you can again get the canvas cloth or the jeans cloth, and you can buff it again within the circular motion. So then it will give really nice shine and all. But this buffing you don't need to do now, because if you do now it will damage the color of the leather. So after 24 hours, you just give it 24 hours to cure completely, and then you can buff it finally. Okay, now we will again dip it a little bit. Okay, that's enough, and we will proceed with the another side. The same process, we're gonna go in a circular motion from any side, it's fine. We're just gonna do it in a circular motion. This gives the leather a time to dry out, and the circular motion helps that like it avoids irregular texture on the leather body. So the circular motion works best. Just a little bit of high gloss is more than enough, so don't completely dip the cellulose sponge within the bottle, because just a little bit of it is also enough for the whole wallet. So because if you apply more, the shine will be so much that the customer won't even like the product. We need a little bit shine to the product just to remove the matte color from it. Sometimes the customers demand matte color, so you can leave it as it is. You can just buff the product and sell it. But sometimes if any customer demands shine, then you can just apply this Angelus High Gloss. It also works very nice with the edges. After burnishing the edges, you can just apply this Angelus High Gloss, and it will give you really beautiful results. But you need to do it very carefully. See, now both the sides are same. It's already looking very nice, but as I said before, we need to give it time. It's almost dry now, but after 24 hours we will just buff it, and also I will show you the before and after results so you can get the idea. Now see, this is the matte finish. and this is the high gloss finish. So there's a little bit difference. This also gives it a shine, and this also seals the leather, so it's a kind of like waterproofing for the skin. So it's a very good product. Now we're gonna proceed with the outer side. Again, we're gonna dip a little bit and start with the circular motions. You need to take care that you don't leave more high gloss in one place. So just repeat the circular motions and try to mix the acrylic finisher on the leather evenly, because if you leave too much high gloss on one part, so after 24 hours when it completely cures, at that time, or the one side will have more shine and one side will have less shine, and the product won't look good. It's then very hard to go back and like remove the acrylic finisher, because this is a kind of sealant and it sticks to the body, and then you will have to do the sanding, and through the sanding you will have to remove it. So it's one coat is finished. I will start with the second coat. For the second coat, you don't need to dip the sponge again within the high gloss. You just continue with the dry sponge. The second coat is just to mix the high gloss well on the skin and to just give it the even finish. Again, finally, we will give it the straight motion to give it the final texture. This much is enough. We will also apply the high gloss to the edges, so it will give a nice shine to the edges. But we don't need too much because it's already burnished and already we did the sanding process, so not too much is required, just a little bit to give it a little bit shine. Okay, that's enough. I'm gonna put this in any plastic, or you can just throw it out. Okay, so this is the final look, as you can see. This is not completely dry now, that's why it's a bit more shine, but now when we give it 24 hours, and then again we will buff it using the canvas cloth or the jeans cloth, so the final look will be really nice and it would be amazing. I will share the results, the before and after results. So, and also one more point, if you are using the jeans cloth, you don't need to use this part. This is not good for the leather. You need to use the inner part. The inner part is very good to burnish the leather. You can also use this for the edges, to finish the edges. Mostly for the edges I'm using this because I don't like the canvas cloth. It's like the canvas cloth is cheaper, but The thing is, I don't like it. The results are not good, so I'm using the jeans cloth. Okay guys, that's it for today. So just wanted to share how to apply and just wanted to share the results of the acrylic finisher. So I hope it helps. If you have any doubts, you can comment below and I'll get back to you soon. If you like the video, a subscribe would be really nice. So like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you can get notified when I upload new videos. We are uploading every week and all the tutorials are for the beginners to help them out, as I have struggled a lot in the beginning. So I'm just making these tutorials to help the beginners so uh, it can be useful tips for them as a beginners. All right guys, have a nice day. Bye bye.